Hello, now today I'm in Doha in my quota custom for the detergent factory. Now my machine have running. Hello. My machine high quality?
Yeah, very good.
Very good. Okay. Now I see you the machine running. Okay, filling machine for the detergent hand wash in the Doha custom. Okay. Now this machine is already by more than 5 years. Now running very well. Okay. Send more bottle. Okay. Send more empty bottle. Okay. No leaking. No, running very well. Okay. Hello everyone. Yes. Okay. My big customer is the quota. Okay. Testing very well. Okay. But the menu by the cabin. Yes.